Hi, it's Luke here from Proactive, a simple, user-friendly risk management solution. Today we're going to look at one of the modules in our How To Use video called Flag It. Now this is a system we set up to allow people that aren't users, so say visitors to your organization, to be able to report something back into you in a simple and anonymous way if required. Now that might be something as simple as a hazard they've spotted that you'd like them to report. It might be something along the lines of racism around sport. All of these things where you want someone to be able to report that and find that out in a safe, secure, and anonymous way. The way that works is very simple. We create in the system a URL, and I'll show you that now, which allows that individual to just simply create an instance. Creating an instance is not dissimilar to how you will have seen incidents created before when you've watched previous videos or used the app yourself. But as you can see, for every organization, there'll be a unique URL. And here it is here. As you can see here, you can click this button and send it to other people. You might want to share it on your social channels. You might want to send it by email to visitors before they come. Or in fact, you can create that into a QR code and post that around your club organization so that people are aware that any issues, like I said, from as simple as a hazard to a safeguarding issue, they can report safely and anonymously. What will happen then is when they click or scan the code, that link will take them to here, which is somewhere where they can report an incident. It's very simple. You get to tell them who you are. So we'll say it's a visitor. What time of incident is being flagged? As we said, there's a range here. Let's go fault with the premises. Nothing too serious, but the toaster isn't working. And then it also has this great facility in order to add images or videos. Remember, as it says here, when you press the information button, to get consent from anyone that you are putting in an image or a video of. But if we click the choose file, this rather forlorn looking person, not very happy the toaster's not working, but that's been added, and that just adds to the file an instant to give more context. You can say here whether you've discussed it with anyone in the organization. You can leave a name if you would like, or you can leave that blank. If you want to be contacted for further information, you can select that, but in this case we're not going to because we want to be anonymous. And then you can say what the outcome is, which is I didn't get any toast. And then, as I said, just the final bit here, would you like to receive an email copy of this report? You might want to, again, just for your records. And then, as we looked at earlier, if required, we can click the consent has been given to share any information within this report. Simply flag it. And there it is, it's been uploaded. And when we go back to the dashboard, it's nice, you can see there that record shows. Again, the job of the person, the visitors that create that is done then, but it just means within the organization, when people come to the dashboard, they can see that something went awry and that was reported, and they can follow up on that to make sure that it is rectified. I hope that's been useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.